two certificates for the same course? It's possible? Let's see. Hi friends, this is Akshay, welcomes you all on this channel. Today I am with more learning opportunities and also with certificate, and here it is provided by Government of India, Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology. In the initiative of future skills, make use of the time and learn new courses, new skills. And here what's new in this, there are many courses provided by different platforms are combinedly provided here, provided by NASSCOM. As you know, NASSCOM is a big brand in India. And here first course from Skill Up, and a second course is from Institute of Product and Leadership. It is a product management fundamentals. And next course from machine learning, it is provided by Analytics Treasure Hunt. And many of the courses related to machine learning, data analytics, cyber security, and also you get a free certificate for this. And here is the cyber security essential course provided by Cisco Networking. As I mentioned it initially in my previous video that these courses are free, but here you can get all the courses which are free on different platforms in a combined form. And here is the course of Spoken Tutorial Art. It is provided by IIT Bombay. There are many courses provided by IITs also here. Data visualization for all. This course is provided by EDX. As you know, EDX is the most recognized and preferable digital learning platform online. There are no courses here free for certification. If this course is freely accessible or not, we are going to see. Here is enrollment option. Firstly, we see what is in this course. It is provided by Trinity College, and it is also 6-week long course. It's too long course, but it's for the certificate. Here you have to invest $49, approx 4,000 in Indian currency. So this amount is very big, but you can freely audit this course. And if you want certificate, then leave this course. I will suggest you more courses which have free certificate and also have a same value. So we leave this platform, and now we are moving to the best course on this site, and it is of Big Data Foundation by Digital Vidya. What is in this course? I am showing you. Firstly, it is course little bit long because it is of 55 hours long course with 32 hours assignments, 3 projects, 24/7 forum support, totals introduced 9, and 2 certificates you get here. After the completion of this course, you get 2 certificates, one from Government of India and second from the platform which is providing this course. So what you will learn in this course, you can see on your screen: algorithm, relational, big data, all things you get here. And what is the prerequisite knowledge? A prerequisite knowledge is little bit in programming. And here key learning outcomes, what you get after this course. As you know, big data is very much scope in the future, so this course is very important. Here is the course curriculum, and now I am going to show you the certificate you get here. And firstly, tools you will learn in this big data online course. There are many things like Java, Spark, SQL, and many other things you learn here. And here is the 2 certificates you get here, one by Digital Vidya and second is from Government of India with Future Skills Initiative. And here I am going to enroll. This is a very easy enrollment process here. And now I am going to show you the course, and here is the first dashboard of this course. Digital Vidya provided course is here, Big Data Foundation course. And if you get certification here, when you complete this, you get certification here. And thanks for watching this, friend.